Hey, my name is Max,
And I'm Kat.
and these are our Movin bikes. I bought my black one, my Mini, a year ago in March. I've got 2,200 kilometers on it. It's the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Except for me.
Yeah. I use this to commute, back and forth from work every day, down on Queen. It's been amazing. I rode all winter, no issues, and the bike handled like nothing. The highlight for me is the belt drive. It's been so reliable, it's clean, there's no worries, no maintenance. It's just been super easy. I've had zero issues with this bike. So very, very happy. I use my bike 10 times more now than the e-bike, and it's just really convenient. One other feature that I love is the folding. We fold them up every day, bring them up into our unit on the 3rd floor, and that way we know they're safe and sound.
Within 2 weeks of him getting his bike, I was obsessed. I commandeered it as many times as I could get away with in those first 2 weeks, and then I had to have my own. I was already a very efficient person before, and now I'm even more efficient with this bike. I zip around the city super comfortably, super safely, and especially with issues with the TTC in Toronto these days and issues on the roads, riding my e-bike around is by far the safest way to get to and from work and wherever I need to go. I have to say that the frame is incredibly comfortable for long distances, and the frame is also really great so that I can wear professional clothing to work, or even when I'm going out and wearing a skirt or a dress or something like that. It doesn't get caught in the chain, it doesn't get dirty, and I still look great when I get to work or wherever I'm going. The folding feature also lets me take it into places where there isn't always a safe place to store, and that's really great. I also find the battery extremely reliable. I've never had issues with it, and for me it's really important that the battery is safe and certified. I can't comment enough about how great the customer service is with Movin. They answered all my questions about the battery. It made me feel very safe and confident about using their product. I actually haven't had any issues over the last year with this bike, but Movin again has still been very responsive to any questions I've had about care or parts, and I can't oversell also how great this company is. I recommend these bikes everywhere. I talk to everyone about them, and I think they're just awesome. And again, safe, comfortable, and reliable.
Absolutely.